Before we continue on, let me quickly talk about the different operating systems and the very quick details about the setup utility, which is the next step needed for deploying our Big IP appliance. So the Big IP appliance runs two operating systems that provides different functions. The main operating system is called the Traffic Management Microkernel, also called TMM. This runs on a Linux kernel and is mainly responsible for processing all client and server traffic that occurs. The other operating system is the always-on management, or the switch card control processor. And this is another embedded Linux system. And this operating system is responsible for more of the out-of-band management aspects of the Big IP itself. This will include the serial console and the management port. This is how you'll be able to manage the Big IP, and it will not interfere with any traffic bottlenecks between the client and the server. It's basically like a different subsystem that is reserved for management purposes and not being mixed up and involved with the client and the server processing that will happen. Before the Big IP can be set up for server load balancing, you must complete the setup utility, which is what you will see next in the video lab. This will involve installing the license file containing the necessary modules and features that will be used. Now, by default, no software is available until you activate it. Another page deals with provisioning resources based on the modules that are licensed to even the management subsystem itself. Another page, part of the setup utility, is where you can change the default admin password to even setting up a unique host name for your environment. And of course, setting up the LAN and WAN facing interfaces on the Big IP appliance.